What is YouTube?
Searching Wikipedia. YouTube is an online video platform owned by Google. In total, users watch more than 1 billion hours of YouTube videos each day, and hundreds of hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube servers every minute. YouTube provides several ways to watch videos, including the website, the mobile apps, and permitting other websites to embed them.
Let's make the project. So first we have to import pyttsx3 module. You can install it from the terminal by typing pip install pyttsx3 and it will install it for you. Now we have to set the engine property of this pyttsx3 module. Engine equals to pyttsx3.init. So I have to set the constructors. Now engine dot say hello, how are you? Let's say. Now engine dot run and wait, and next engine dot stop. So now we will save this and let's run in the terminal.
Hello, how are you?
So it works properly. So now we have to put the microphone as the input to search in Wikipedia. So here you can see that I've imported that speech recognition as s_r, and we can print that SR speech recognition version. Now R equals to SR_recognizer with mic as SR, device index 1 will say mic as source. So we'll say print say now, or rather we can say please ask your question. And we can set it that like that. Now we will import Wikipedia. And so here we have coded it. Now let's save and run the program. What is YouTube?
Hello, how are you? Searching Wikipedia. YouTube is an online video platform owned by Google. In total, users watch more than 1 billion hours of YouTube videos each day, and hundreds of hours of video content are uploaded to YouTube servers every minute. YouTube provides several ways to watch videos.
So you can see that the program runs smoothly.